Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Kaizer Chiefs have confirmed that goalkeeper coach Ellis Mzugi is leaving Kaizer Chiefs after his 2-year contract has come to an end. Mzugi has overseen the goalkeeping department for the past 2 seasons, and he was part of the technical team that guided the club to the Nedbank triumph last season, helped the club to secure third position on the Betway Premiership this season, with the second highest point tally of the past decade of 54 points. He was very much loved by Kaizer Chiefs supporters. Even the players, you could see that they were very fond of him. They used to celebrate with him. He really brought a different energy to Kaizer Chiefs. And now, after the club parted ways with co-coaches Sadri Kaze and Khalil Ben Yusuf, they have also parted ways with Ellis Mzugi, even the fitness coach. So yeah, everyone who came with Coach Nezraddin Nabi has left Kaizer Chiefs now. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of him leaving Kaizer Chiefs? Do you think they should have let him stay or not? Let me hear your thoughts down in the comment section. And in other news, former Mamelodi Sundowns forward Lucas Ribeiro is in advanced discussion over a potential move to Libyan giants Al Ittihad, in what would be a reunion with his head coach Rhulani Mokwena. The Brazilian forwards find himself at a crossroad after his short-term contract with Spanish second division side Cultural Leonesa came to an end following the club's relegation from La Liga 2 to the third tier of Spanish football. Ribeiro had a positive trajectory when he was still at Sundowns, where he contributed 60 goals in 88 games for Sundowns over 2 seasons. And he was one of the most sought after player after the Club World Cup. But now, his stock has went down, because before he went to Cultural Leonesa, clubs from Qatar, Brazil, and other Middle East countries wanted to sign him. But now he's attracting interest from clubs across Africa and Middle East, but not in the pedigree of those that wanted him before he left Mamelodi Sundowns. However, he's still an attractive proposition as he is a free agent. Among the clubs that have registered interest in him, it's Esperance de Tunis. Now, what we know for sure is that Al Ittihad has tabled a lucrative contract offer for the forward, with talks described to be progressing positively. However, there are concerns over the unresolved case with his former club Mamelodi Sundowns, where he terminated his contract and referred the case to FIFA tribunal at the end of last season. And that case has not been concluded yet. This would be a very high-profile signing from Al Ittihad and will be a statement for the rest of the teams in the league and also across Africa, as they have already signed Thembi Nkosi-Lorch and Stefan Aziz Ki. Now, let me hear your thoughts down below. Do you think that Lucas Ribeiro should go to Al Ittihad to be coached by Rhulani Mokwena? Remember, this season he featured 30 times for Cultural Leonesa and scored 5 goals and 2 assists. So do you think that maybe he might rediscover his form in Libya? Let me hear your thoughts down in the comment section. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.